Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to invest HSA contributions in index funds and Fidelity HSA. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into Fidelity HSA. So once you are in Fidelity HSA account, you need to simply get logged in into it. And as it is a health saving account, you need to add funds to your HSA through electronic transfers or payroll deductions. After this, you can simply transfer cash to investments like by navigating to HSA dashboard, select the option to transfer to investments, and manage my reimbursement account can work as well. Then you can enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transfer. Research and buy index funds for mutual funds, ETFs, and once you find like a fund to go, you can go to the research page and select buy. You can automate future contributions as well, which is completely optional, and you can have a key consideration between cash versus investment and fidelity options. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.